Hi, Populist Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. Before I begin, let me just say I hope we all had an amazing new year, right? This month I wanted to focus on populist. Yes, us. Usually this time of year people are speaking on a resolution, 2 or 3, right? Or even wanting to add something to their everyday life. Here's the thing with you and I. We already resolved to live out our core values in the sanctity of people's workspaces. We already add a great attitude as we embrace day in, day out what those core values mean at our specific job assignments, right? You might be part-time and this might be a second job for you, and yet we're making life better, as many of you can attest. And there's something else happening out there other than financially that's just really cool to be a part of. If you've been here any while, you know what I'm speaking of. We're just so proud of what we do and how we do it, rightfully so. There's something out there called an elevator speech. Some of you have heard of it. Wordstream.com refers to an elevator speech as a written or a verbal blurb, right? Communicated usually to a target audience to communicate the value of a product or a service. It can be used for a variety of reasons. And it's called an elevator speech because it's supposed to be short, sweet, and to the point. So if you were, imagine yourself in an elevator and somebody you greatly admire walks on and they turn to you and they say, "What do you do for a living?" There's no really right or wrong way to answer that, right? As long as you believe in what you're saying, right? So we can go something like this. "Hi, I'm Steve. I work for Populist Cleaning. I work in recruiting and culture. It is a full service commercial cleaning company with one goal in mind, right? Making life better through quality partnering." Right? I mean, we all have heard the jokes and stereotypes about my industry. And yet what I have found at Populist Cleaning almost now for a decade is that through simple yet strong core values, every team member can live out active professional values, enabling our quality partners to live out their best day yet in a clean and safe building. So go something like that, right? So I encourage you the next time you're out and about, brag on where you work. Brag on yourself. All right, y'all? Until next time, I hope we have a great month. Let's get it. Bye.